Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how Elon Musk gets success. Let's start the video. Elon Musk is one of the most successful and innovative entrepreneurs of our time. He's the founder of SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. But how did he achieve such incredible success? Elon Musk was born in South Africa in 1971. He showed an early interest in technology and entrepreneurship, and by the age of 12, he had already sold his first computer game. After attending college in Canada and the United States, Musk co-founded his first company, Zip2, which provided online business directories and maps. He sold Zip2 for almost $300 million in 1999 and used the proceeds to start his next venture. SpaceX was founded in 2002 with the goal of reducing the cost of space travel and ultimately colonizing Mars. Despite many setbacks and failures, Musk persevered, and in 2012, SpaceX became the first privately funded company to send a spacecraft to the International Space Station. Tesla was founded in 2003 with the goal of producing affordable electric cars that could help reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Musk invested millions of his own money into the company, and despite facing many obstacles, Tesla is now one of the most valuable car companies in the world. Neuralink was founded in 2016 with the goal of creating technology that could connect human brains to computers. The company's ultimate goal is to create a symbiotic relationship between humans and artificial intelligence. The Boring Company was founded in 2016 with the goal of reducing traffic congestion by creating underground tunnels for cars and other forms of transportation. Throughout his career, Elon Musk has faced many challenges and setbacks, but he has always persevered and continued to pursue his goals. His success is a testament to the power of hard work, innovation, and determination. Elon Musk's story is one of incredible success, and he continues to inspire people around the world to dream big and pursue their passions. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe our channel for more business and financial videos.